Do you guys feel it? Do you feel it? Do you feel the fact that fall is in the air? 'Cause I do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. In today's video, I am testing out fall food from Trader Joe's. Now, first and foremost, fall is my favorite for many reasons. I'll list a few. The leaves starting to change. The weather starting to get cooler, so I'm not sweating all the time. My birthday is also in fall. It's on 10/10. My birthday is on 10/10. That may have made sense, but you know, I need to reiterate. But nonetheless, fall's just one of my favorite. Always has been. I anticipate it always will be. Secondly, I think I like fall flavored stuff. And by fall flavored, I mean mainly pumpkin. But also just fall looking things. I don't know. Third and foremost, whatever, third on this list, I did not buy that many things. For one, just being kind of like conscious of the fact that I'm probably not gonna eat all this food, so I don't want it to go bad. And then secondly, I'm just cheap and don't like to spend a lot of money, so you know, it's a win-win. I did want to purchase things that didn't have to be prepared, and then I got pumpkin rolls, but my friend pointed them out and they sounded delicious, so I figured why not. So while we're testing some of these other things, I'm gonna pop these in the oven. Okay. These feel weird. While we are waiting on that, on to some of the next items. I got these apple cider cookies. Spoiler alert, I've already eaten one of these. They taste pretty dang good. I gave some to my friend because this would just be way too many for me, so that's why they're open. So these are actually super flavorful. They're really good. Taste like apple cider, but not like overwhelmingly. I like them. They're kind of like a nice little quick treat. Maybe, you know, do a little Dunkaroo in your coffee or your hot chocolate. That would probably be pretty good. Next up, I got these pumpkin spice batons. So they're delicate rolled wafers filled with pumpkin spice. I don't know how to open this. Now I think that as a kid, I would have something similar to these, but really they just had like hazelnut in them instead of the pumpkin. And they're good, at least the hazelnut one is. These might just like, you know, not ever get eaten because I can't get them open. There we go. All right. Also, as you can tell, probably, no, because it says 400, but you can maybe tell the time on the microwave. It's 1:30 in the afternoon and I have not eaten lunch, and I had a small breakfast around like 10:30. So I'm pretty hungry, but I also want to have real food for lunch, so I'm trying not to eat. These are, Those were yummy. All right, next item is not a sweet item. It's more of a savory item. It is organic, which doesn't matter to me. Butternut squash soup, low sodium. Sodium. Wow, that was a weird accent I just had. Now, I am not going to eat this right now because this is for dinner, but I'm going to insert a clip real quick of how that went. Okay, then I saw these, and they are just basically pumpkin Pop Tarts. They call them toaster pastries, which I think are the technical name. They are frosted. I'm not a person who really has, like, we want to be technical, toaster pastries. I had them as a kid. I do not enjoy those pleasures anymore. I also can't open this. So I'm just gonna take a bite and put the rest in a bag. When I was younger and had these, I would always like eat off the crust because I didn't like it. These are actually very good. I like these. All right, so next up, wow, I keep saying next up. Pumpkin spice pretzel slims. Do I know what these are? Absolutely not, but my friend pointed them out and they sounded good. Oh my gosh, I need like some water. So they're pretzels covered in something that I'm not sure. So it says it has crushed pumpkin spiced pumpkin seeds, which is a mouthful. But it looks like it's some sort of icing that it's dipped in. So that's really interesting. You get like the saltiness from the pretzel. It's kind of similar to like when you're eating like white chocolate dipped pretzels, where you get that saltiness and then the sweetness, but then the spice kind of comes in with these because there's pumpkin spice seeds on the outside, and it's very good. But they melt really quick. So then my friend saw these, which they aren't pumpkin flavored or maple flavored, anything of that nature. What they are is Belgian chocolate that is shaped like fall stuff. So, as you can see, I will most likely drop this. You have like little corn thingies, I think some acorns, I don't know, some little pumpkins. So I don't really think there's anything like super incredibly special about this. They just look super stinking cute. And you know, I'm not sure that I've had Belgian chocolate before. Okay, so it's like dipped. Those are rich. One little bite's enough for me, holy smokes. I need something a little bit savory to kind of like get my taste buds back in control. So I found these and they're just the cutest thing ever. I don't think there's anything special about the flavor. It's just the shape, and it's little leaf tortilla chips. They're like definitely the fall colors, you know, definitely the shapes, just everything kind of that I love wrapped into one. And that's because you use these for salsa. If you didn't know, spoiler alert, tortilla chips, salsa, which is my favorite. I'm not gonna lie, like this packaging is really cute too. Packaging gets me, it really does. And this looks like soft matte. Tastes pretty good. What I am going to do is dip it into this Trader Joe's buffalo chicken dip. Oh my goodness, that stuff's good. Mmm. There's some heat to that. Wow, okay, I see you, Trader Joe's. So next in a like tortilla chip category, I got these pumpkin tortilla chips. What I didn't do was really read the ingredients, and now that I did, since we're sitting here filming this, these are more like a sweet tortilla chip, I think. So it says that it's crafted with simple ingredients, including pumpkin puree, pumpkin seeds, cinnamon, and nutmeg. So I don't really, I guess that's not sweet, that's kind of savory. But in terms of it being dipped into like a salsa or buffalo chicken dip, I'm not sure how those flavors are going to mix, so I'm gonna taste it by itself first. Oh, that'd be fine. This tastes just like tortilla chips with a hint of pumpkin, and you can kind of taste the nutmeg, but nothing that would overpower. Like if you're dipping these in something, it's going to taste most likely like whatever you're dipping them in. So that's yummy, but kind of disappointing. Oh my gosh. So the pumpkin rolls are still in the oven, but it smells so stinking good. Let's take a peek. Ooh, look at these little babies. Ah! And now for the grand finale. There's a little burn on the bottom. I think I messed up. Those are pretty good. The icing makes it. So if I had to pick my favorite things out of everything, I know I'm going to love the butternut squash. Butternut. I just, you know, want to have an accent today. I know I'm going to love the butternut squash, so I'm going to leave that one out because I feel like that's unfair. That's unfair to the other kids. I would pick these, and let me tell you why. They're just enough pumpkin-y fall flavor, but not overbearing, not too heavy, super light. You can eat like this whole canister and you won't feel full after. You'll just have a sugar rush. But they're tasty and I like them. My least favorite though if I had to choose, would be these chocolates. It's nothing against them, they're just a little too rich for me. And that's why they're not my favorite. Or these pumpkin tortilla chips. Not because they taste bad, nothing like that. But for them to be marketed as a pumpkin tortilla chip with, you know, cinnamon and nutmeg and all of these things, the flavor is so subtle, and maybe that's the intention? Could be the intention, I don't know. But I just feel like if it's marketed that way and it has pumpkin puree in it, it should taste just a hair more like pumpkin. But again, I'm not mad about it because now I can like eat it with all my salsas or the buffalo chicken dip and it won't taste weird. But that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. I shared with you my favorite season, which again is fall. Why don't you leave a comment down below what your favorite season is and why, because I think that it's always kind of fun to hear everybody's different opinions on the seasons. Also the ones that like winter or like 100-degree summer. No judgment. Oh, these had different flavors. Wow. Hazelnut, caramel, walnut. Here is your weekly reminder to take a deep breath. I almost forgot. Thanks so much for watching. Follow me on all my social medias. They are linked down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.